CBSE Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Today's topic is Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. We will start with the definition. The fundamental theorem of arithmetic says that every composite number can be factorized as a product of primes. Moreover, it says that given any composite number, it can be factorized as a product of prime numbers in a unique way. Okay, so now why it is said that the product of prime numbers is unique? So we will understand this by taking an example. Let us take any number. Let us take 14. We have taken a number 14. Its factor will be 2 into 7. So either we can write 2 into 7 or we can write 7 into 2. So both are same. When multiplied 2 into 7 we will get a number 14, and when we multiply 7 into 2 again we will get a number 14. But when these primes are multiplied, they will always give us 14. This is unique. So the order, apart from the order, we can say the numbers product of the factors are unique. Generally we write smaller number first and then followed by the larger number, like 2 into 7. Now we will learn to find HCF and LCM of two positive integers using fundamental theorem of arithmetic. This method is also called the prime factorization method. So let us take one example. Find LCM and HCF of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. So 6, we can write 6 in factors as 2 raised to the power 1 into 3 raised to the power 1. Then the second number 20, we can write the number 20 in the form of factors as, or we can say in the form of prime factors as 2 raised to the power 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. So we can write it as 2 raised to the power 2 into 5 raised to the power 1. For HCF, it is the product of the smallest power of each common factor. Now you have to pay attention towards this word common. We have to see in both the factors of 6 and 20, and we have to find out the product of the smallest power of each common prime factor. So we can see in the factors of 6 and 20, 2 is the common, or we can say smallest power of common prime factor. Then for LCM, it is the product of the greatest power of each prime number. Here common word is not used. Okay, listen again. It is the product of the greatest power of each prime factor. So LCM will be 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 1 into 5 raised to the power 1. So LCM will be equal to 60. Now we can verify our result also. For any two positive integers a and b, the product of HCF and LCM is equal to the product of the numbers. So HCF into LCM is equal to a into b. HCF we have got in the last example, that is 2, and LCM is 60. Okay, so HCF is 2 and LCM is 60. That is equal to, what were the numbers? These numbers were 6 and 20. So we will write 6 into 20. Now 2 into 60 is equal to 120, equal to 6 into 20 equal to 120. So we can say that LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. So in this way we can verify our result also. Okay, so today's homework is that you have to find LCM and HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method, and verify that LCM into HCF, or we can say product of LCM and HCF, is equal to the product of the two numbers. Thank you.